Welcome to Cash Shops, where we turn financial complexity into clarity by helping you navigate the path to financial independence. Today, we dive deep into a revolutionary concept that's reshaping how we think about wealth and work. Inspired by the wisdom of Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, we explore the transformative power of the cash flow quadrant. This idea doesn't just sketch the line between financial freedom and constraint, it offers a blueprint for crossing that line for good. Imagine a world where your daily grind isn't a necessity, but a choice. Where financial security isn't a dream, but a reality. That world isn't as far as it seems. The key lies in understanding the quadrants of cash flow. On one side, the pursuit of security ties individuals to a never-ending cycle of work, and on the other, the quest for financial freedom empowers them to build lives unbound by financial strain. The question is, which side do you want to be on? Here are 8 assets that have the power to transform your financial destiny.
The first asset is the power of entrepreneurship. It's a myth that all billionaires had a silver spoon. The truth, they built empires through sheer grit and innovation. From Elon Musk to Oprah Winfrey, their journeys tell us one thing: owning a business can be your ticket to wealth. It's about making money work for you, not the other way around. Next, real estate as a gateway. You don't need a fortune to start in real estate. With smart decisions and strategic investments, properties can become a continuous source of income, pushing you closer to financial liberation every day. The third, unlocking paper assets. In a world where time is a luxury, stocks, bonds, and mutual funds offer a gateway to wealth that fits into the busiest of schedules. A disciplined approach to investing can set the foundation for a future unchained from financial worries. Then there is the stability of commodities. In an ever-changing global economy, commodities like gold, silver, and oil remain bastions of value. Investing in these timeless assets can protect and grow your wealth, even in a turbulent time. The fifth, time, your most valuable asset. The greatest advantage you have is time. Starting early, seizing opportunities, and investing wisely can compound your wealth in ways beyond imagination. Remember, it's not about having time, it's about making time. Halfway through our journey today, if you're finding value in our discussion, I encourage you to subscribe to Cash Ops. Stay ahead in your financial game with our insights and strategies designed to empower you. Next, we have investing in health. Your health is your wealth's greatest ally. A sound mind and body are indispensable tools in your quest for financial freedom. Prioritize your well-being to ensure you can enjoy the fruits of your labor for years to come. Then, the digital gold rush. The internet has democratized the creation of wealth. Whether through YouTube channels, blogs, or online businesses, the digital world offers endless avenues to build assets that generate income around the clock. Lastly, the strength of your network. In the realm of wealth, your network is your net worth. Building relationships, delivering value, and cultivating a personal brand can open doors to opportunities previously unimaginable. In wrapping up, remember this journey is yours to embark upon. The assets we discussed today are not just pathways to wealth, they're bridges to a life of freedom, choice, and fulfillment.
Continuing where we left off, let's dive deeper into the strategies and mindsets that pave the road to financial freedom. Understanding and leveraging these assets isn't just about increasing your bank balance. It's about rewriting your story from one of endless work to one of purposeful living. The journey towards financial independence is as much about mindset as it is about money. It's about seeing opportunities where others see obstacles, learning continuously, and understanding that every setback is a setup for a comeback. Embrace the mindset that wealth isn't just about accumulating money. It's about building a life enriched in experiences, growth, and contribution. In an era where technology evolves at lightning speed, automation and digital platforms offer unprecedented opportunities to amplify your wealth. From automated investment platforms to e-commerce, technology enables us to generate income with minimal effort, ongoing. The key is to stay informed and adaptable, ready to leverage the latest tools and trends to your advantage. Your wealth can only grow to the extent that you do. Investing in personal development through books, courses, mentorships, and experiences expands your knowledge and skills. This will open doors to new opportunities. As you enhance your understanding of finance, leadership, communication, and personal efficiency, you'll find that your potential for wealth creation grows exponentially. As we become more aware of our impact on the planet and society, ethical and sustainable investing emerges as a powerful way to build wealth while contributing to a better world. By choosing investments that align with your values, you not only contribute to positive change, but also tap into the growing demand for responsible business practices. This approach to wealth building ensures that financial success also translates into a legacy of positive impact. True financial freedom isn't just about enjoying wealth in your lifetime. It's about creating a legacy that benefits future generations. This involves strategic estate planning, creating trust, and educating your heirs about financial management. By planning ahead, you ensure that your wealth serves as a foundation for your family's future, supporting them in achieving their own dreams and goals.
No one achieves great success in isolation. Building a strong, supportive community around you, one that shares your aspirations and values, can significantly accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Whether it's a mastermind group, an investment club, or a mentorship relationship, surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals provides motivation, inspiration, and invaluable insights. As we conclude our exploration of the 8 key assets for achieving financial freedom, remember that this journey is unique for each of us. It's not about the destination, but about who you become along the way. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the milestones, and always keep moving forward. If you found value in today's discussion and are eager to embark on your own journey toward financial independence, make sure to subscribe to Cash Ops. Here, we're not just sharing strategies, we're building a community committed to transforming their financial destinies. Hit the like button to support our mission of financial empowerment. And don't forget to share this video with anyone who's ready to take control of their financial future. Your engagement helps us reach and inspire more individuals to achieve their dreams of financial freedom. Thank you for joining us today at Cash Ops. Together, let's unlock the doors to a future where financial freedom is not just a dream, but a reality for all of us. Stay tuned for more insights, strategies, and inspiration. Until next time, keep striving, keep learning, and keep building your legacy.